Yogi Adityanath to take a holy dip at the Sangam with his entire cabinet on 22nd January. So tomorrow is going to be a big day in Prayagraj. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be taking a dip in the Triveni Sangam with the entire cabinet. After the cabinet meeting, they will go and take the holy dip in the holy stream of Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, where the ongoing Kumbh Mela presently is on. The meeting first will be held on Wednesday at the Triveni Sangam, and then we are told that the group together will go. Now, this is not the first time. In 2019 also, remember, at the Kumbh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had taken the dip, and again with the entire cabinet. So all the ministers who are in the cabinet close to Yogi Adityanath will go to the Sangam via a motorboat, which means there will be strict security arrangements that will be made. Now, how will the area be cordoned off? What will happen? All of that, of course, will be taken in consideration. We are told that 21 ministers, including Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya, Brijesh Pathak, all of the senior leaders as well, all of them will be together taking the dip. Samar Srivastav joins me for the latest on that. Samar, this is going to be quite a sight. I'm sure all security preparations will also have to be done. And this did happen in 2019 as well, isn't it?
Well, exactly. It was planned before that CM Yogi Adityanath's cabinet will be taking place here before the Mahakumbh started. Though it was a confusion of the date. Will it be Tuesday or Wednesday? And now finally the official confirmation has come from the Chief Minister office. Tomorrow is the day when CM Yogi Adityanath, along with 54 ministers of Uttar Pradesh, will be having the cabinet right here, where some important decisions will be made, some proposals will be initiated, some projects will be initiated. So that will be also be seen as a boost for the Uttar Pradesh economy as well, especially in terms of Mahakumbh and Prayagraj. Apart from Yogi Adityanath, we'll have UP Deputy CM Keshav Prasad Maurya, Brijesh Pathak, cabinet ministers, Swatantra Dev Singh, other ministers, Daya Shankar Singh, and many other ministers will be taking the holy dip along with Yogi Adityanath. Though it's for the first time when this is happening, CM Yogi Adityanath's cabinet came here in 2019 Kumbh as well, where they took the holy dip at Sangam. This time around, again, the time has been given around 12 p.m. when the cabinet will start, and after the entire cabinet meeting and some proposal acceptance, the ministers and UP CM Yogi Adityanath will be taking the holy dip in Sangam. The meeting will take place in the Triveni Sangam complex, and later in the evening they are likely to move back to Lucknow for other meetings scheduled